Hi, today I'm making a 5-ingredient side salad that's great for this holiday weekend. We have Easter and Passover this weekend. I think that this is going to be great. So I have 2 carrots here. No, I do not peel them. I do eat the peel. The nutrients that are in the peel are what the plant uses to defend itself from predators, insects, viruses, diseases, and all those chemicals are in there to help them protect their cells. I want to eat those. And so what I'm going to do is you can use a potato peeler. I have this little zoodle maker. It doesn't matter. I'm going to cut this into ribbons. If you don't have one of these, then just use a knife and slice really thin. Sometimes it can be kind of hard. But we're making these carrot noodles. These are very high in beta carotene, as well as being cleansing to the system. They are not quite in season where we live, but they will be shortly. And so it's the perfect springtime food. So I'm just going to continue slicing these ribbons. Okay, so here are our beautiful carrot ribbons here. And now I'm going to add a dressing. And so I can just make it right on top and stir them all together. That's going to be the easiest. So I'm starting with apple cider vinegar. This is a raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar with the mother. It helps to stimulate digestive juices. It also has some live enzymes that help with digestion. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This is 2 carrots, so double the recipe, whatever you want for how many people you have. So I did 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. This is going to give it kind of an Asian flavor and some sweetness. Then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And then we're going to be using sesame seeds. I'm only using a half a teaspoon. I just want a little touch of that sesame oil flavor. Sesame seeds are very high in calcium, so they're good for the bones. I'm going to be topping with 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Then I just need to toss it all together and it is ready to go. So how simple and easy is that? Here's our sesame seed salad. You could always add some sliced green onion on top. That would give us a little bit of color and pop, which would really show off the salad. But this is delicious, nice Asian flavor. It's healthy for us. It's a side dish that you can serve and enjoy and not feel guilt at all about eating it. I love this dish. I hope that you make it. Comment, let me know. Let me know how you make your carrot salad if you do make a carrot salad. I do love to hear from you. Anyway, make this, like and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy.